Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, push that notification bell because I post on Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays at 6 PM UK time with the occasional bonus video where I'm joining a collab or an open invite, and especially open invite you have to post at a certain time and date. So that is why. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my Papergang box for February. Now, if you don't know about Papergang, Papergang is a monthly subscription box for stationery. It's a UK brand, but it is internationally shipped. So Papergang is part of Oh Dear, and I found out about Oh Dear through my Birchbox ages ago when it collabed with Oh Dear. But this is February's box, and this is what it looks like. So it is white with like pastel coloured shapes, and then it's got the dark turquoise and like the bright orange and yellow in it to tie it all in shapes. And then on the back are, I think these are bookmarks. Yeah, cut along the dotted lines and use these for reading books or bullet journals. So the pink one says I can do it, and the green one is like a winky face. So they're really cute. And so this is my box. Every box except one has come this, I've got it upside down. Every box I have got except one has come in this shape, which is a sleeve with a cardboard box underneath. Once came as a cylinder, but I've only had that once. So I'm going to open this now and share with you what's inside. I don't have a clue because I literally got it in the post today, which is Saturday for me, which will be, I don't know what day it'll be for you, which is Saturday for me because I'm filming this now. Okay, so it comes out of the sleeve like that, and then it's just a cardboard box, and the cardboard box always comes with the nice tissue paper which matches one of the colours or the theme of the box. And then the box says, in the side of the lid says how Papergang works, and it tells you all about how everything goes together and then how it's shipped out to everybody. So I'll open this now with you and show you what I've got. So I'll open this tissue paper. Ooh, exciting. So the first thing I have got is this, which is the Papergang booklet, and it's talking about Mother's Day on the back because Mother's Day is 31st of March for us in the UK. So it's got some cards on the back which are super cute for Mother's Day. And then in here, ooh, it tells you about the content of your box and how much it is. And it says this month's creative, and what is her name? Doesn't really tell you. Her name is Jade, and she's the one that designed and created this box this month. So it tells you a bit about her, and then more about Oh Dear, the blog, and Papergang itself, and about having a free box you can refer to friends to Papergang. That will all be linked down below if you do want to get your own Papergang box. And if you like something from this box, it's not everything you can get, but if you like certain things, then you can buy them on Oh Dear's website without buying the box. And I think you can buy the last 2 or 3 boxes. If you like something from last month, you could buy that box too. Or you can buy this as a one-off, a monthly subscription. There's no like tie-in, you don't have to be tied in for a year, and it costs £12.50 to me in the UK, that's with postage. So the first thing I have got is 4, I'm so excited, right, sorry. The first thing I have got are 4 sheets of Oh Dear stickers, and they're all just the shapes which are easy and really perfect for bullet journaling, scrapbooking, like paper, what's it called? Project Life, and just like your everyday diary. So it's all the shapes, as you can see, and it's an upside smiley face, I've just realised in one corner of this. But it's really cool, and then you could obviously put a heart if you're having a good day, or like you can do this whatever you need to put. So that is them stickers, and I'll tell you, the sticker pack retails at £3.95, which means you can definitely buy this online. So you can buy them stickers online. The next thing, which if you've been following me for a while, you will know that I have been missing, and that is because every month on Instagram, as I start the month, I do like a hello, whatever month it is, so it'll be hello March next. And this one actually you can use on any month, which is really handy because I haven't done one for for December or January's box, so this is really helpful. But this one you can use on any month because it's not just as month and then you can fill it in, and then all the dates basically, and it's bright yellow with blue and white. And an ambulance has just gone by, so that's what the sirens are for, because I live right on like a roundabout. It's not noisy normally, it's just because I live near a hospital as well. You cannot buy that calendar sheet. That is just purely in this month's box, or any month's box if you get a calendar sheet. Next up, I have got they're called 3 happy highlighters. They are highlighters in pastel green, pink and purple, and they look like normal pens, but I've just opened one and they're pastel. And these are highlighters. Oh, actually, let me try and show you that even closer, because I've just realised on each end it's like a little face. Hang on. They're really cute, and again they're really cute, and again they're childlike but still adult based. Yesterday my niece was round because we was doing stuff for her birthday, and I was doing, because I'm doing her party and her invites and stuff, and she went home with my weekly planner from my Papergang a couple of months ago. It's the dinosaur one, the pink dinosaur one. And she took that home with her. I didn't see it again today when she came round to my mum's house. But she can have it for a while, that's fine, because I've got another one. But she would love them pens, and the next time she's around here, she's going to have a field day with them. And the washi tape goes up the walls and on the doors and everything. She just loves stationery, so this box would actually be perfect for her. And it is her birthday soon, so maybe I'll buy her one. But she would love them pens. And them 3 happy highlighters are £4.95 for the 3 of them. So yeah, I could make her a little bundle up of stuff because she would love that. So yeah, they're £4.95 and they're available on the Oh Dear's website. Then the next thing I've got, and it's still the same, it's got the little smiley face on the bottom, and this is 100 triangle sticky notes, and these retail at £3.50. And they're triangular little faces. Now, if you remember, and you might not remember, but a while ago I got orange post-it notes with dogs all over them, and I've used them at work now. I've took it to work and I've been using them, and it's really, people notice them in a good way. And they're like, oh, fancy, fancy and everything, but it's just cute, and it decorates your desk more than just having stuff that you can buy from, or get from work. You don't have to buy it, get from work and stuff. And it can bring like a little bit of a smile to your day, having something like that, and picking up something random like a sticky note and giving it to someone that's got a smiley face on it that you've not drawn. Just think about if they're having a bad day or whatever, then they'd love that. And think about that even for school, people doing like revision and stuff, if they picked up a note with a little face on, that would be really cute. And then finally, I have got this journal, and this is really cute. It's got the little face print on it again, and this is an A5 perfect bound notebook, and it's printed in the UK. It's £8.95. And for the weirdo that I am, that loves journaling, I love books like this, but I don't know who remembers this, but I am a weirdo that does not like writing on the back of the page. I only write on the one side of the paper, and this is perfect for me, Carl. This is perfect for me because I don't think it shows up, but this isn't lined and this page is lined, so this is how I like to write. I only like to write on this side of the page anyway, so it really does help me. And this is really cool. It's really light and small in size, so it's perfect to put in like your school bag or your work bag or whatever bag, and carry around. Again, it would be brilliant for bullet journaling, and I want to do some more journaling pages. Would you be interested in bullet journal pages? Because I'm happy to do that. If you want to, let me know in the comments down below. But this is a really cute notebook, and again, Abigail would love it. I love it, and I can't wait to start using it basically. So that is everything I got in my Papergang for February. I hope you enjoyed. What is one of your favourite things in this box that you liked and would buy for yourself? Please also give this video a big thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Bye!